Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing something brand new, something that honestly shocked me with how simple it is. And I'll explain exactly how it works, why people are excited about it, and how YOU can get started. If you've ever felt frustrated with complicated online money systems, today might be the day everything changes. This isn't drop shipping, no Shopify stores, no crypto, no shady stuff too. It's something called domain mining. So what is domain mining? Think of it like digital real estate. Instead of buying land, you buy domain names. The names of websites rank before everyone else realizes they're valuable. Before knowing everything, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Domains are cheap to buy, but can increase in value depending on trends, keywords, business demand, and online branding. You buy a domain at a low price, then resell it to someone who really wants it for a much higher price. Now, traditionally, this takes time, research, and experience.
Now you understand what I am saying. We have the domain finding website, and we will help you to sell it in no time.
And honestly, you don't need hours to get started. Just grab a cup of coffee, spend 15 minutes, and you'll understand exactly how the whole system works. We have many numbers of users with high revenue from $700 to $1,000 per month. Now get the link below and watch the tutorial. It's just amazing. I earned more $2,500 within 10 days. So if you're curious, check the link, explore it at your own pace, and see if domain mining is something you want to try. Until next time,